Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Powerstroke products, Powerstroke Products Heads, gaskets. Right in front of us we have a set of 18 millimeters for a 6.0. Powerstroke Products builds heads for all your Powerstroke trucks plus your Cummins trucks. Plus they also came out, they've just newly released these gasket sets for your 6.0 Powerstrokes. Being that this is the primary head that we sell and that they sell, this is the first one they wanted to release. So you can hop on our website and grab yourself a set of heads and gaskets for under $3,000. Throw a set of Gator fasteners in there, Gator fastener studs. Get your truck studded for about $3,300 in parts with brand new everything. So let's talk about these. These are a high zinc count, new casting with strengthened up internally in here where they like to crack in the valve seats. New valves, new guides, new springs, and they come O-ringed. On our website, we talk a little bit about what you need to do with an O-ringed head. So let's talk about it here. You cannot use a Fel-Pro gasket. Fel-Pro makes a great gasket. They're wonderful gaskets, but they do not work well with an O-ringed head. The reason being is they're too thick. So Powerstroke Products released their own version of a head gasket to use with their own heads to help you with that, ensure that you get that 1-year warranty that these come with, and help ensure that you get longevity out of your truck. These valve springs are upgraded. They're basically a stock plus valve spring, so they're rated for about 80 PSI. Generally, that's gonna hold right in that 700, 800 horsepower range on a 6.0 Powerstroke. We also carry these with an HD spring for full competition. Those are 1,500 plus horsepower.
So I especially like that they came out with their own gaskets to ensure that everything fits perfectly together, because most other products won't fit on this head, right?
You cannot use a Fel-Pro gasket with any O-ringed head is the reason that Powerstroke Products came out with their own design of a gasket, because the Fel-Pros are too thick so that O-ring won't do anything for you at that point.
Exactly. Thank you, Powerstroke Products.
Be sure to hop on the website. You can check out all the details. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff on the YouTube channel. We have these in stock, ready to ship out. Give us a call if we can help, 1-800-577-2698.